Hi, in this video we are going to go through 7 principles of getting an ex back. I'm gonna take you all the way from what to say or do during breakup, what to say after, what about during the no contact, and when your ex decides to contact you again. So let's go, and let's start with the first principle. Remember, if she wants to come back, she needs to miss you. Her attraction level needs to rise. Only reason she broke up with you is that her attraction level is too low. Women just purely do not want to stay away from a man who they are totally in love with. It just doesn't happen. And also imagine it like this. Imagine it's Monday evening, your ex doesn't have a date today. She's kind of missing you. She calls to you. You give her your attention. You talk with her for an hour. Then she doesn't need, she feels better. Now she feels happier. She doesn't need to feel the emotions of missing you. And today or evening or the evening after that, she is with other guy who is drilling her very well. And then again, at some point, she's missing you a little bit. She calls to you. You are her emotional tampon, and so on. So never accept being that. After breakup, if she doesn't want to stay in a relationships, if she calls you or texts you at any point, talk 1 or 2 minutes max, no more. Or couple text messages max, no more. Anyways, after saying what you want, walk away and never look back. And the reason you should never look back, and the reason it's wrong, all of the people who say that contact her after 30 days, etc., etc. Different people react to breakup differently. Some people are over the top excited 1 month after breakup. They are finally freeing free. And then after 3 or 4 or 5 months, they start to miss you. And if you interrupt that, you are constantly reminding them that you are on the hook. They don't need to start missing you. Someone are super sad immediately. It's different. The only thing here that does not change is when they start to miss you enough. And when they start to be uncertain enough about if they are actually losing you, they will contact you. If they do not contact you, their attraction was not high enough anyways. And if that's the case, you contacting them does not just do anything anymore. So do not contact them at all. And remember also, it's scientifically proven that women are more attracted of men whose feelings are unclear. I don't remember the name of the professor of was it Stanford University who did a study where I don't remember how many participants, but woman who was like 50-50, like if the man was interested in them or not, was huge amount of more attracted to the men than for the guys who they knew 100% certainly that they are interested in. So, and remember, you was in a relationship with them. They know you are interested. So you staying out is the only way of actually making them emotionally invested in you. They start to think more about you. They start to think, oh, if you are with someone, if you have actually forgotten them, etc., etc. And more they are thinking about you, more their attraction level rises. And if you honestly think about this from your perspective, you are probably the same way. More you think about a woman, more you feel like you are obsessed with the woman. It's the same with the woman. So do not contact them at all anymore. And the rule number 3 is actually walk away. Build your life, try to be happy, do what you have dreamed of, build a business. I don't know, anything. What have you wanted to do for a long time? Do it. And if she decides to come back and you still want her to get back, that's great. I'm gonna tell you soon how to do it and how to get her back. And now you have been in no contact for anything in between 1 day and 1 year, and she finally contacts you. What now? Well, you are going, like I said a couple of minutes ago, talk to her couple of minutes maximum, or send 1 or 2 messages back and forth, no more. Please don't start to chit chat on the phone. Don't bore her to death. She's contacting you because she wants your attention. Now ask her to come to your place. If she's the one who broke up with you, do not go to lunch, do not go to dinner, do not go to her place. She needs to come at your place. If she doesn't want to come to your place, if she says that, hey, if you say, hey, when are you free to come to my place? And she says she doesn't know, then I'm like, okay, sure, that's great, that's fine. Contact me when you know. It was nice to talk to you, bye-bye. That's it. If she doesn't want to go to your place and she tries to make you to go for a lunch, etc., do not accept that. She's the one who fucked up with you. She needs to make some effort. And if she actually wants to be with you, do you actually think she would not come to your place? Like, come on, think a little bit. So if she doesn't want to come to your place, then just say to her that, hey, okay, well, I'm tired from the evening or from the weekend, I don't know. If contact me in a couple of weeks and let's see if I'm into more formal, after that. And then say it was nice for her to call, it was nice to talk. You need to continue your day. Bye-bye. That's it. If she agrees to go with your date or come to your place, remember, hang out, have fun, and possibly hook up. Do not talk about the relationships. Do not be the person who takes all of these heavy subjects on the table. Do not do it. Remember, you want her attraction to rise. In order for her attraction to rise, she needs to feel good about being with you. And attraction do not rise if the conversation is heavy and you might get some, positive freeing from your emotions, but who cares about your emotions? You want her back. So try to make the evening nice, have fun. It will raise the dopamine levels. It will make it, it will give her the gift, of, hey, it was a good thing to actually come to your place. Possibly hook up with her. It will raise the oxytocin levels. There is no benefit for you to talk about anything, because after all, when her attraction level rises high enough, she wants to be in a relationship with you. Women are the ones who usually wants to bond, so she will take that conversation herself at some point. You just need to have fun and make her to feel positive about you. And couple last points. If she calls to you and she doesn't agree to come to your place or go on a date, you ask once more. So you ask 2 times on maximum. If she doesn't agree in neither of these times, stop asking completely. Because at that point, if you want to go out with a woman and she says, hey, are you free on the weekend? You are not, I'm not. If you're interested, you will say, hey, but are you free on the next Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday? If she just says she's not interested, she is not free and doesn't give you anything but like, hey, but I'm free on this and this time, she's not interested. And only thing she's doing at that point is try to keep you as her emotional tampon. You will make the breakup process so easy for her if you keep staying on the phone with her. So remember, after 2 times, if she did not agree, talk to her 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Don't be a cold fish. Always be like, hey, it was nice to hear from you. I'm a little busy. Bye-bye. And stop the call after a couple of minutes. And then at no point ever again, don't take the date talk anymore, because she needs to feel that she might lose you. Remember, if she's attracted, she will want to go out with you. And the last thing is that if you actually messed up and you are the one who did the breaking up, everything I said is kinda still what you should do, except the first time. If you are the one who broke up, you need to suck it up, you need to apologize, call to her, You can go and take her on a date because after you are the one who broke up. Call to her, ask her out, take her on a date, apologize. If she does not agree, then go back on the, okay, well, that's too bad. It was nice to talk to you. If you change your mind, call to me, and never contact her again unless she contacts you. Then when she contacts you, remember 2 times you ask her out. If she doesn't agree on it, then stop asking. That's about that. So that's 7 principles. I will write them in detail about our school community because this video is so long. You will get the tips step by step. You can take them to your notebook so you will know exactly what to do at what point. So check the school community, it's completely free, and come to there just to take the steps, and then you can go away if you want. But in the community you can ask any questions you want. You can ask questions privately from me or from the community, and you can say your specific situations privately, anonymously, or publicly, and we will make sure you get the success you want. So comment for the video, like the video, and bye bye.